Hey everyone, Ray from Funnel here, ready to guide you through organizing data and using the Data Explorer in Funnel. If you've experienced the tedious task of compiling marketing reports in tools like Google Sheets, you're familiar with the challenges of downloading data from different platforms, dealing with inconsistent field names and varying currencies, not to mention the need for constant updates and troubleshooting inaccuracies. Funnel automates all of these time-consuming tasks. Let's see how. After connecting one or more data sources to Funnel, data will be sorted into metrics and dimensions. Metrics are data points that can be counted or measured, such as costs, clicks, or impressions. Dimensions are attributes of those data points, such as campaign, ad group, or country, which can be used to segment and organize metrics. Sometimes, metrics and dimensions can be referred to as fields. You can find your fields by clicking on the relevant tabs in the left-hand menu. In Funnel, metrics and dimensions are automatically sorted into three categories: custom, imported, and built-in. Custom fields are either provided by Funnel or created by users in the workspace. It's important to note that custom fields are built on top of the underlying data. This means that even though you create new custom fields or adjust existing ones, the original values in the underlying data stays intact. Imported fields are downloaded from the data sources, and built-in fields provided by Funnel categorize downloaded data into universal categories like date, week number, or data source name. To understand how a field is defined, you can navigate to the field and check the underlying rules. The imported section shows fields in blue or grayed out. Blue means the field is part of the current import schema for a connected data source. Grayed out indicates the field could be obtained, but your data source isn't available in the current schema. Information beside grayed out fields provides guidance on how a data source configuration needs to be changed to provide these fields in Funnel. To view your data, visit the Data Explorer tab. The Data Explorer presents the content of your fields in a table for easy analysis directly within Funnel. Datasets are a collection of features that lets you further enrich your data sources by enabling the combination of two data sources sharing a common dimension or pivoting the date columns of data sources with multiple dates. With Funnel, managing multiple currencies is easy. View and adjust exchange rates directly from the Currencies tab. Let's explore a practical example of data organization in Funnel using the traffic source dimension, which is available in all workspaces. Funnel sorts your connected data sources into groups based on rules, generating values such as Google or Facebook. For analytics platforms like Google Analytics, Funnel does corresponding groupings using the UTM source parameter. This enables you to do analysis in the aggregate, such as how actions on a specific ad platform translate into actions or conversions on your website or app. If Funnel's default rules don't match your business or UTM naming convention, you can adjust the rules by clicking Edit in the top right corner. To learn more, our knowledge base and support team are accessible via the Help button in the top right corner. Remember, the power of data is in your hands. See you next time.